The mission is to rescue, rehabilitate, and release animals that are native to the country of Laos. And the sanctuary currently cares for several hundred animals. Sheets to let us know how much food they need. The bears are ready. We have a volunteer common room where we hang out after work, play games, and chill. We make our own breakfast, but lunch and dinner are provided every day, and the options are vegetarian and plentiful.
It means hope for the animals that are being trafficked in the illegal wildlife trade. It's hope that we can make a difference in Laos for both the people and the wildlife.